everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo. In today's video, we will discuss about register payment against draft invoice or bill. So let's dive into the accounting module. Under the customers, you can find the invoices or either you can choose the vendor bills. So let me go with the customer invoices, and here let's find how can we just register the payment against the draft. So here we just need to ensure that the invoice is in its draft state. So I'll be choosing my customer over here as Joy Mills. Later on, you can just fill out the details of the product. So let the product be customizable desk. And here you can find the price of the product is $750. Applying the taxes, the price has just turned into $862.50. Now I just want to make a payment. So let me save this. Under the settings here, you can see a option called pay, where you can just make the payment for this. So I'll be making a down payment for this against the draft. So I'm going to make a payment of $362.50, and here you can find the differences because we know the total amount is just $862.50. And let's create the payment so that we can just post the payment against the draft, and we have just made a partial payment for this. Now let's move on to the draft invoice that we were dealing with, and here you can see that we can just confirm this invoice. So before let's confirm this. So as we just confirmed, here we have to add the outstanding credit that we have made. So let's add this, and here you can see currently we only just need to make a due of $500 because we have already made a down payment with $362.50. Now we can just make the payment. As we just need to make the payment, we can just click on pay button, and here you can see now the user only just need to make a payment of $500, and you can just click on create payment, and here you can see currently it's in its payment state, and after reconciliation the payment will be moving to the back. So as you just move on to the customer menu and choose the payments, here you can find the payment that has made, and you can see the payments that is created. So let me choose the one that we were dealing with, and if you want to find the invoice and all, you can easily find the invoice associated with this payment, and you can also find everything like on which date the payment has made and what is the amount has made. Everything is shown over here. So that's how we just deal with the registering of the payment against the draft invoice. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.